What is up, you guys? It's cold today and I don't like it one bit. So we're back out here at the golf course job that we did a few weeks ago. If you remember that, we had to fill in that big hole. We're in a different portion of the golf course now. You can kind of see some of the holes out there. Beautiful white sand traps. It's a gorgeous course out here. They've only been open for a short amount of time right now. They had a lot of trees go down during the hurricane. Somewhere over 400 pine trees fell. So they hired us to come out here with the B66. We brought the Kobelco and the Hyundai Loader, and the boys have been going after it ever since early this morning. We're making some dang good progress. So fortunately, it wasn't anything too huge that fell. I mean, there's some decent sized pines in there, but nothing that the B66L can't handle. We're probably gonna have to either haul these stumps back, or if they'll allow us, we may burn them. I'm not exactly sure what the game plan is right there, but man, they had some serious wind out here, as we all did in the area during Hurricane Helene, but cut up into some pretty decent size sections. So yeah, this job's going a lot faster than anticipated, because they had a mountain. I think Brandon came out one day in the beginning of the week and began, you know, eating away at it. And then I thought I might have been a bad luck when I just arrived to bring the guys some lunch, because I saw Fern have to climb inside the grinding chamber. He lost one of the teeth on the Kobelco bucket. Fortunately, he knew he lost it, so he had his finger on that button, and unfortunately it did make it into the grinding chamber, but he was able to turn the machine off quick enough we didn't do any real damage. Let me find my earplugs and we'll walk up here and see what we can see. Just got two walking floor trailers running today, so Brandon's made him a little makeshift loading ramp right there. We had to bring the 960 without the tip out bucket up here. It had to stay back at GreenGo just so we could load trucks there, so making it a little bit more difficult to load the trucks, but Brandon's getting it done. Really good. So we'll take this material back to GreenGo going strong loader, man. We've got two 960s and one 955 back at the grinding yard. They have made some fantastic loaders. Get him loaded up, get him back on I-20, headed back to Granireville. What's up, Mr. Ben? How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Yeah, that tip out bucket would make it a lot easier on us, but we're doing what we got to do today, guys. much smarter than I am, but I've seen these hanging around the golf course. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think it is, because I honestly don't know what it is. I thought it was some kind of rain chain. Then there's two little bags, and I don't want to mess with their stuff, so I'm not going to touch their equipment over here, but I don't know whether it's to collect some kind of bugs or rain gauge. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Starting to rain on us, guys. We don't need that, but it will be good for when we have to burn the stumps. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be here when they do the burn. I'm going to be in the Dominican Republic probably while y'all are watching this video, but I sure do appreciate your support. I hope we hit 50,000 soon. We're knocking on the door of it, and that's all thanks to you guys. Appreciate all the comments you're all the time leaving, checking on us and telling us hey, and we couldn't do it without you. Super grateful for all of you guys, and I really do, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate y'all's support. Y'all take care. I'll see you on the next video.